Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger, and today we have another fun Disney time machine adventure. Yes, we're gonna go back to the year 2019. Yeah, it's not that long ago, but it seems like a lifetime ago now. My friend Brownie and I, we visited Disneyland California Adventure. We rode Guardians of the Galaxy, and that's what this vlog is about, Guardians of the Galaxy. It was my first time on this ride. I had originally ridden the ride when it was Tower of Terror, but they did a great job and a nice overlay of the ride. It was phenomenal. It was really great. I had a great time. I love what they did with the ride. It's not as complicated as Tower of Terror in Hollywood Studios, but that's okay. It's a smaller ride, but it is great what they did with it. Brownie and I had a great time, so I want you to join us and Disney start up that Disney Stranger time machine.
Well, I just learned something new today. You cannot film a Disney cast member without their permission. I didn't mean to, but she didn't want to be in on the fun. So we stopped the camera, but we've got to wait for this kid. This kid's coming through. This is our stroller person.
Hi, Pie Face.
Hello, Pie Face. Welcome. Okay, where do you want to go? You take this car. Fast passes. We're on our way. Let's go now. We're on our way. Oh, look, dueling cameras. This is good. This is good.
All right, look, we've got Oswald here. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Oswald.
Oswald who?
Oswald, my bubble gum.
If you turn the camera that way, you will see something you haven't seen before. That is the Hollywood Tower of Terror.
No, it's not.
Yes,
I've
it is.
seen the Hollywood
Is that
Tower.
not the Tower of Terror. Here, let's get in the show. We can see it better. See the Hollywood Tower of Terror? Wait a second.
Wait, no.
Something happened to it.
Definitely different, dude.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, right now I need you to do a split screen. So over here, box left, you're gonna see Tower of Terror. And over here, box right, just turn the camera, there it is. Yes, this is the new Guardians of the Galaxy ride. It's fantastic, it's themed. Which one of the 7 or 8 or 9 or 10 or 15 songs will you get? We happen to like Pat Benatar's Hit Me With the Best Shot. Come on, let's try it. Okay, Pie Face, what's your favorite song in Guardians?
Burn in Love, because it was the last song.
Hunka Hunka Burn in Love?
Yeah.
You know what? It's Elvis calling. I gotta take this. It's Elvis.
Hello, Elvis.
Congratulations, you just answered Star Wars. Get out of the way. Make some noise if you want to see the dance. We hear you loud and proud. I love it. Hey, you're not going to put a guy on me. Everybody eyes on me. Give your best here.
Did it actually work?
We did it! Woo! It was an awesome dance-off, and you were all awesome. Dance off first. You all are my favorites. Don't tell the other people, all right?
Oh, hi.
Hi. Hey, Pie Face, I got a question for you.
What?
How does Mickey Mouse go on the internet?
I have no idea.
He uses his mini iPad. Oh.
I like that.
Yo, Brownie! What are we doing?
We're having a red trolley ale, and of course we have to wait till we're 21, right? And but where are we?
Guardians of the Galaxy!
Yes! And this is the Disney Stranger's first time here. So we're pretty excited to show the Pat Benatar version.
What?
How many songs are there, Brownie?
It's 8.
8 songs?
There are 7 in the main ride, but during Halloween there's an extra ride called Monsters After Dark.
Oh, there's Monsters After Dark. Yeah, they theme it.
Oh,
Yeah.
awesome! It's not dark yet, so I don't think we're gonna get it.
No, Monsters After Dark is only at Halloween.
Yeah, and this tail is wagging.
Hey, Pie Face, what do we have here?
Spistacle, otherwise known as Cosmo.
Cosmo? Who's Cosmo?
The dog.
The dog?
Attention talent. May I present to you Tanner the Collector.
The Collector.
Welcome, distinguished guests, to your VIP tour of my collection.
Awesome. Is that Ultron?
Most comprehensive assemblage of artifacts
Who's that?
of life
Ultron.
in the galaxy.
Hey, do you guys validate?
Scan complete. Once in the system, your hand scan will give you clearance and the doors will open towards you. Please stand by.
I'm scared.
What's it gonna be? Which door?
And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Tannelator Von's private office.
Come on in, please stand on the graded flooring that's provided for you at the center of the room, please.
The minor problem.
I hope Thanos isn't here. Is Thanos in here?
Not yet.
I don't want to get dusted today.
Up there.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy that you this guy.
Hearing your incessant slandering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ow! Ow! Oh, but that was not part of the plan. Why? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Yeah, it's gonna be very dark.
Oh my goodness.
Be way
We've
dark.
actually got in line to go
To
in
another
line.
line.
Yes.
Yes, lines lead to lines. All right, so now I know what the problem is, why this is taking a very long time. As you can see, this isn't working. So that is the problem today in Guardians of the Galaxy. 2 rides are working. So we're down by 1/3. Crazy. But we're on our way to Guardians of the Galaxy now.
Good thing I'm learning fractions.
She's
Awesome.
learning fractions.
Fractions.
20 videos. We have row 3 available for you. Enjoy. Have fun on your tour.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
We got the
that's
last
perfect.
row.
What's that?
We got the last row.
Awesome.
Start things rocking. Now show me those hands, people. Yeah! Let's go. Okay.
Thanks again, everyone, for joining us on this Disney Stranger Time Machine video. We really appreciate you guys stopping by and checking this video out. We had a great day back in 2019 at the Guardians of the Galaxy ride. And guys, remember, please don't forget to walk forward.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.